Kawaii Fox, and I am here with my friend Alex. We made up fake names, by the way, so like fake name, her fake name is Alex. It might be her real name, I don't know. And my fake name is Lila. It might be my real name, I don't know. The people that actually know me will like probably like tell everyone, but don't even dare. It's Kawaii Fox. There we go. I didn't write this up.
Oh my gosh, I need.
So yeah, we need to do. We need to make a tent.
We need to make a tent.
Okay, in 2 minutes and 10 seconds.
Okay. So much time.
I know, right?
Oh gosh, I need to.
Make it. I'm gonna make the boys' tent, and I'm gonna make it baby blue. So.
Oh my gosh, I need people. No, we are not going. We're not. Okay. Wait, look.
What is it, dude?
I have to go.
Oh.
But I'll come back. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll come. What? What, Lila?
Nothing. You just said Lila in a weird way. You're like Lila,
Hey,
Lila, Lila. So yeah.
You can still build in my place, even though I'm gone, right?
Yeah. Wait, no, not if you log off Minecraft. So, I won't be doing anything special today. I'll probably just be making a really weird face in the ground.
Hey, I'm gonna have to eat, so, yeah.
Yeah, I can't build anymore, thanks.
Cool,
Yeah, whatever, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, do that, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Wait, don't hang up, I'm gonna come back.
Goodbye!